What's up, guys? Welcome back to another video on Mr. Junior Dev. I hope you are all well. Today we're going to be walking through the choose the right iterator method. So yeah, let's get straight into it. This is a Learn JavaScript on Code Academy's course. So yeah, I'm going to get straight into it. There are many iteration methods you can choose. In addition to learning the correct syntax for the use of iteration methods, it is also important to learn how to choose the correct method for different scenarios. The exercises below will give you the opportunity to do just that. You'll see errors pop up in the terminal as you work through this exercise, but they end the errors. Okay, so instructions: replace the word method in the first method call with the method that will do something to each of the values in the array and return undefined. Okay, so the first call is dot for each. Okay, so now the second method call, replace the word method with method that will return a new array with only those elements longer than 7 characters. Okay, so the second one, dot filter. Third method call, replace the word method with a method that takes an array that contains multiple values and returns a single value. That one's pretty difficult. So .math, .floor, .city, .word, .use. Okay, so count smaller numbers. In the fourth method call, replace the word method with a method that will return a new array of numbers returned from the function. So nums.method num -5 map sum.map. In the fifth method call, replace the word method with a method that will return a Boolean value. Sum. Great. Let's move forward.
Alright guys, thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Peace out.